Hi, welcome to NAS with a Trending. In this video, we would discuss the sort tool in MS Excel. After completion of this video, you will be able to use this tool in MS Excel confidently. First, we are taking an MS Excel sheet with a table containing the serial number, name of the person, and mobile number. Now select the table except headings. And choose the option Data on the ribbon tab and click on the Sort tool. After clicking on the Sort tool you get an open dialog box. That first, you remove the tick mark on the right top corner. Then select a column, A, and select the type of order we required. And click on OK. Now we observe the changes in the table. Now we try with the column, B, and the order type is Z to A. Then the changes are observed in the table. Here, the table displays back to front order and we carefully observe it shows first C, B and A. And the numbers in the B column are also descending order. It means not only alphabets are considered, but it also consists of the full name of the person what we took. Then, now we take next column, C, and option type what we required. And then we observe the changes in table. Now we removed some mobile numbers randomly. And then sort the column, C. Then the changes are observed. In that, the smaller values are on top of the sheet and the highest values are on the downside of the sheet, and the empty cells are on the end of the sheet. Here, in the sort tool, we remember one thing: what is the base of our table is the main important. In this tutorial, column, A, is the base and then what we required in our table by using the sort tool. It is very easy to understand and please to practice it. Thanking you.